In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download only audio from Filmora 15. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened this Filmora 15 on my MacBook. Now, I have to click this right button on this layer. Then here are detach audio. You can see it's already separate audio. Now just select this audio file. Then click on right button. Then you can found export selected clip. That means your selected clip will be only download. Just click. Then here are you can set up a name. Then here are select MP3. If you this clip MP4, you can select MP4. But currently I have only audio. I want to download this. Then click on export. You can see it's already download audio from this Filmora 15. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.